Good morning, dear students. A very warm welcome to you. Dear students, today we start a new chapter. And name of the chapter is More on PowerPoint 2016. Okay. So, student, in PowerPoint, basically we make presentation. You know that. What we make? We make presentation. Okay. So, what is the presentation? Presentation basically a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner. Okay, to convey new idea and impart information effectively. So if I want to convey my idea and if I want to impart my information effectively, then I use which option? Presentation. Okay, so student, a slide is like a page in a presentation. So a slide is just like a page in a presentation, and slide contain brief information that you want to communicate to your audience. Okay, in the previous class you learned many features that enhance the look of a presentation. Okay, so in this class you will learn some new feature of a presentation, PowerPoint presentation 2016, that to make your presentation more interesting. Now you will also know about various views in which you can create and organize your presentation. Now student, first topic is what? Creating photo album. Yes, you can create a photo album in a PowerPoint presentation. Photo album basically what is a feature that allow you to club your personal and business photograph together. Okay, so to use for a presentation. It does not provide a way to insert online picture directly. So you should download picture from your online storage and put them in a folder on your hard drive. This way you can access all the image that you want to include. So now I teach you this thing practically. So how to create a photo album in PowerPoint? For this we have to follow some steps. Number 1 is go to insert tab. Okay. Now click on photo album option under image group. Now click on new photo album. Okay. Now photo album dialog box will appear here. You can see many options are there. This is file disk option. To insert any picture, we have to click on file disk option. It is located under insert picture forms. So just click here if you want to insert pictures, if you want to insert photo. Now you can see insert new picture dialog box appear. From this you can select any desired picture. You can select one picture or more than one. I am selecting here picture of flowers. Okay, you can select any picture as your need. So this is my first picture. Now I am dragging it and selecting my another picture also. I want to select 5 picture here. Okay, so this is my second one, then third, fourth, fifth. So click on insert. Now you can see 5 pictures appear. Okay, so now student, you can now change the order of this picture by using up and down arrow. Like this is my fifth one picture. I can change the order by using up arrow. Okay, so now you can see order is changed. I can also use down arrow to shift it below. Okay, so we can change the order also. Okay, so you can also remove this in the remove group. You can also remove the. Now student, you can see picture layout, frame shape and theme option. You can choose any picture layout, any frame and theme. I teach you how can you choose any theme. Click on browse, then you can see many theme option are there. Just select it. Okay, so I can choose any theme. After this just click on create option. You can see my photo album. Students, our next topic is ink equations. So student, you can add any equation in your slides. Okay, so ink equation is very useful for that. So student, this is the new feature. Ink equation basically a new feature which you can add math equation into your presentation. Okay, ink equation basically is easier to use. It is very easy to use. If you have a touch enabled device connected to your system, you can use your finger or stylus to write equation directly on the screen. Okay, and PowerPoint convert them into text. Okay, so however, you can also use a mouse to write the equation if you do not have a touch device. So now what are these steps are? Just look at here. In the Insert tab, click on Symbol option, then click on Equation. Now click on Ink Equation. The Math Input Control box is up here. That small black dot in the yellow grid you can see. Now you can start writing with this black dot. You can write down whatever equation you want. After writing your equation, just click on Insert button. Okay, now you can see your equation is appear here. You can increase it, decrease it as your need. Student, next topic is screen recording. Yes, you can record your screen in PowerPoint presentation. To record your screen, you have to follow some steps. So now look at here 4 steps. How can you perform screen recording? Whatever you're working on screen, you can record it. Just click on Insert tab. Then at the last option, you can see screen recording is here. Just click here. Now you have to select the area which you want to record. So I am selecting the area. Okay, I want to record this area. I select it. We are having many options under this audio. If I want to use my audio, then audio option is here. If I want to record pointer voice, then option is here. Then record option is also here. If I want to start recording, just click here on the record option. Okay, now countdown is start. So my recording is start. Whatever I'm performing here, all the things are recorded. If I want to stop the recording, just click on Windows Shift plus Q. Now my recording is appear here. Now I can increase and decrease it. I can play my audio here. Okay, so this is my screen recording. Clear, students? Our next topic, changing office theme. Yes, student, you can change your office theme according to your need. Like you can apply dark theme, colorful theme, white theme according to your need. Okay, so for this we have to follow some step. Just look at here, students. So student, now I teach you how can you changing office theme. For this we have to follow step. Firstly, click on File tab and choose option. Now option dialog box will appear. Then select gray theme and click on OK. Now you can see your theme will change into gray color. By default it's colorful. So student, next topic is comment. Yes, you can add a comment. Okay, comment basically a great way to provide feedback to other about their presentation. Okay, so they can also be used to collaborate and work together on a presentation. They are more likely sticky notes that can be added to an object. Okay, so comment in a slide can be done on or off anytime. To add comment in a slide, we have to follow some step. So now just look at here for steps. So student, how can you apply comment? Click on Review tab and then click on New Comment option. Now you can see a comment pane appear. So student, you can revise this thing. Thank you. Have a nice day, students.